Oh, it's a much better video anyway. You're better looking than I am. The girls will see you on YouTube and they'll say, who's this handsome boy working on this Jeep? We gotta find him, look him up. For she sakes. You might have to back it up and come forward again with it like I was doing a while ago. Huh? So loose, but won't go. You know, you really have to work it to get past that point. It's not unusual. A lot of bolts do that way. Dude, break something. It takes a little time and patience to get something out without breaking it, but it's quite rewarding when it works where it's supposed to. I might could reach up in here and help you. Yeah, put your wrench up here. And when you get ready to release it, I'll just move my thumb down and you can turn it around and I'll put it back. You know what I mean? That helps. Hard to, yeah. Almost feels like it's loose enough to turn there, don't it?
Yeah, but you can turn it with your ease on.
Success! Yay! Okay, show the YouTubers what you did. Yeah, you can leave all that right like it is. Just set it to the side because it's all going back. We might modify some of that stuff, but now we should be able to see. I should be able to get a good idea of what we need to cut out and put back. Oh, the joy.